Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with a new video, and in today's video we will learn about the alarms like voltage above normal or voltages below normals of the electronics engines like Perkin, Cummins, Caterpillar, etc. Before go in details, you have to keep in your minds the sensors which are installed on the electronics engines have the specific voltage supply, and that supply is fed by the ECM to the sensor. Second things, you keep in mind the digital sensors have the 8 volt supply and analog sensor have the 5 volt supply. If any sensors like water temperature sensor or engine oil level sensor sense the lesser than the specific voltage, the ECM will generate a code or give the alarms the voltages are below normal. Similarly, if any sensor gets the higher voltage than the specific voltages, the ECM will generate a code the voltages are above normal. So now we talk about the reasons why these codes are appear on the monitors panels. Most of times these codes are appear due to distortion in the harness. For example, sometimes the loose of the wires at the joints are into the connectors, and sometimes the crean in the connectors of the wires which are coming from the ECM to the sensors. And sometimes when we wash the engines and due to moistures, this type of alarms are appear on the monitor panels. Now we talk about the solutions. What are the solutions? In the first step, what we have to do, we remove the connector from the sensor side and from the ECM side. Clean that connectors with the CRC contact rusting cleaner. I hope your problem will solve. If by cleaning the connectors our problem not solved, then we go to the step 2. What is step 2? In the second step, we will remove the connector from the ECM side and on the supply and check the voltage at the ECM whether our ECM is giving the proper specific voltages or not. Afterward, we will check the voltages at the connector of the sensor side. If the voltages are same at the ECM side and also at the connector of the sensor side, it means maybe the problem in the sensor. So what you have to do, you interchange the sensor with the other machine and verify that the problem is in the harness or the connector. And in the third step, the voltages are not same at the ECM and the sensor sides, just been problem in the harness. In critical situations, we use the software and we perform the wiggle test, checking the distortion in the harness. Also, by using the software, we calibrate the sensor, and after calibrating the sensor, our problem can finish. If our code is persisting, so it means maybe our sensor has a problem or maybe our ECM is faulty. But before replacing the ECM, you have to recheck your harness, your sensor, and if you are sure, then you can replace your ECM. If you have any confusions or any doubt or any questions, please write down into the comments box. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.